Welcome, dear students. I hope in the last session, whatever I have discussed with you in BRS, you have revised it. And today, our emphasis is to learn the solutions for bank reconciliation statement. So, from the textbook, those 5-6 questions what I gave, I'm going to solve for you in today's session. So, let us look into page number 187. Question number 3. If you look into question number 3, they gave you and asking you to prepare for the bank reconciliation statement of Saket for the year ending 31st March. If you look, they gave you balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book. That is starting point. Then check issued but not presented. Check deposited but not collected. Bank insurance paid premium, direct deposit by customer, interest on investment, and bank charges. And if you see, dear students, they have given the number. Roman numbers are given, which is very useful when we'll do the solution. If they give alphabets also, no problem. Now, sir, how we are going to do the solution? So please focus on the blackboard, how I am doing the solution for you. So solution number 3, page number, and you'll write caption BRS of Mr. Saket for as on, you write better, as on 31st December 2018. This is the heading we'll write. And then, dear students, you draw the statement. This is not an account. This is statement. About 8-9 lines, you draw the statement. Then, below the statement, we'll do the working notes. I taught you yesterday the cash book and passbook working. This will guide you to do the solution. So, see here. Here, if you see, I am dividing two sides, cash book, passbook. So I'll write simply cash book, passbook. Then here I'll put, for my understanding, I'm drawing one more line. This is receipt, payment, withdrawal, deposit, debit side, credit side, debit side, credit side. Immediately you don't put the signs. First, we'll write here particulars and rupees. Then we'll see balance as per cash book. So first we'll write that as the starting point. Balance as per cash book. Depending on this, we'll put the signs. Balance as per cash book. How much they gave? They gave 12,500. After writing, dear students, you will come to working notes to put the sign. Receipt side minus, payment side plus, favorable balance of cash book, this is. Then withdrawal minus, deposits plus. This is what I thought. Now, see how I am going to do the postings and then the solutions in an easy manner. Check issued but not presented for payment. I told you check issued but not presented for payment. You know, it comes in the cash book on payment side. Okay? Cash book, payment side. You need not write full sentence. Just what is the number? Transaction number 2, you write and write the amount 900. Afterwards, we'll post it. Then third transaction, check deposited but not collected. I told you check deposited comes in the cash book, receipt side. So that is transaction number 3, whose amount is 1200. Then fourth transaction, bank paid insurance premium, Who paid dear? Bank paid. So passbook, debit side always. If you want, I am writing for your convenience here, debit, credit, debit, credit. This also you can write. No doubt about it. So bank paid insurance. Always passbook, debit side, number 4. What it is? 500. Then direct deposit by a customer. Direct deposit. So in passbook, it comes on the credit side, that is deposit side, 800. Please keep in mind, in the transaction itself, there will be the answer. Then, interest on investment collected by bank. Again, it is deposit. Number 6, 200. 200. Then, bank charges recorded in passbook. Clearly they told passbook, bank charges. Number 7. So, transaction number 7, 100. So, we have done it. What does it mean? It means that transaction number 2, transaction number 5 and transaction number 6 will be added and the remaining will be subtracted. That is what you are supposed to do, dear students. So, see how I am doing now. So, add. You will write the add. Then, transaction number 2. What they gave? You also write the same thing. Same thing. Check issued but not presented for payment. That's all. Cut, copy, paste here. How much is the amount? 900. Then again plus sign. Number 5. What is transaction number 5? Direct deposit by a customer. So, simply copy. Direct deposit by a customer. How much is the amount? 800. Then, number 6. What is transaction number 6? Interest on investment. Interest on investment collected by bank. They gave 200. You can cross check now. 1, 2, 3 plus sign, 3 items were there. Did they come? Yes, sir. Politely, what you do, like this, you'll draw one line, dear students. Now do the total. 900, 800, 200. Total 1900 with all politeness. 1900. Then add 0, 0, 9, 5, 14, 4, 1 carried, 2, 2, 4, 1. 14,400. Now, less items. We'll leave 1 or 2 lines gap. Less we'll write. Now, transaction number 3, 4, 7. So, you can see now. What is transaction number 3? Check deposited. You also write. Cut, copy, paste I told. Same thing what they said. Check deposited but not cleared. 1200. Then, fourth one. What is the fourth transaction? Fourth transaction is bank paid insurance premium. Bank paid insurance premium 500. Then seventh one. What was the seventh one? Bank charges. So bank charges debited in passbook only. How much? 100. Over. Check again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross check also is over. Then total again. 12 plus 5, 17 plus 1, 18. So, from this 14,400, I am going to subtract 1,800. So, subtraction 0, 0. 14 minus 8, 6. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. 12,600. So, we started with which book? Cash book. So, the answer is which book now? Passbook. Therefore, you will write balance as per passbook. Without any difficulty, you got the answer. You can check with your textbook. The answer is 12,600. If you do the solution in this pattern here, I am telling you 100% you are going to get the correct answer. This is your working, which you can do below the statement. Working notes. This is the guiding tool we can call. Hope you have understood. Now we are doing the next problem, that is problem number 2. Okay. So I am doing for you all solution number 2, page number same 187. Again, we'll see whose BRS they are asking. SV traders. So first we'll write the heading BRS of SV traders. BRS of SV traders as on date is given 31st December 2018. So again, I'll draw the small format, 5, 6, 7 lines according to your convenience. Particulars, amount you can see. Then below this, I am doing the working notes. You know the utility of working notes now. So like this, I'll do the working notes. I'll divide it 2 sides. Cash book, passbook. This is CB. This is PB, passbook. This is receipt. For my convenience, debit I'll write. This is payment, credit. Then withdrawal, debit, deposit, credit. Don't make the mistake of writing the signs immediately. It all depends on the question. Let us see. Balance, cash book balance they give. So again, we'll write same thing. You need not worry. Cash book balance. How much they gave cash book balance? 62,000. Once you write this balance here, you decide about the sign. So when they give cash book, receipts are minus, payment side plus, minus, plus. That's all. Now we'll post it. Check amounting to 18,000 issued but not presented. Issued, not presented. I told you always it comes in the cash book on payment side. So transaction number 2, 18,000. Then a check of 16,000 was deposited and was returned dishonored. Check was deposited means here and got dishonored. Dishonored means where? Withdrawal side. So what is the number? Transaction number 3. How much is transaction number 3 amount? 16,000. Then interest on investment collected by bank. You know deposits. Interest on investment 2,200. Then bank charges debited in passbook. So number 5, bank charges debited in passbook 150. All the transactions are over. If they give alphabets, use alphabets. That's it. Simple. Now add items. Let us see what are the items to be added. 1, 2. That is transaction number 2. What is there in transaction number 2? Same thing you copy. Check issued but not presented. Check issued but not presented. How much is a check issued not presented? 18,000. Inner column I wrote 18,000. One more item. 4th transaction. Check what is 4th transaction? Interest on investment. So interest on investment collected by bank. Interest on investment collected by bank 2,200. Over. These are the 2 things. Only 2 transactions. So again we'll add. Sir, I have doubt. Can we do the total first here, then we transfer? Choice is yours. Okay. So 18 plus 2, 20,200. So 00228. 82,200. Now we'll focus on the less items, subtraction items. Receipt side, nothing is here, sir. Only 2 items. Transaction number 3. What is that? Check deposited but dishonored. Dishonored means bounced. 16,000. Then bank charges. So bank charges debited in passbook. How much? 150. Again, I'll do the total. 16,150 I got. Now I have to subtract. So 0, 5. Here 1 minus 1, 0. So how much is left here? 12 minus 6, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. 66,050. So we started with cash book balance. So this is which book balance? Passbook. So therefore, balance as per passbook. You can check with your textbook. Your answer is ready, dear students. So these are the 2 solutions which I have done with the cash book. You can just see with cash book. Now with the passbook, what will happen? I hope you all have understood by this time. When it comes to passbook, plus, minus, that's all. Reverse will do with the passbook. You can copy or you can keep for yourself. Then 2 problems I am going to teach you with passbook now. Hope you all are able to understand. So you can look the solution. Based on this, you can practice the problems. So now I am going towards the next part of the solutions with the passbook. Okay. So let us see with the passbook how to do the problems. So out of these 2 models, one you can expect for exam. Generally, passbook will be given or cash book, doesn't matter if you know the subject. So let us come to the question number 3. Question number 6, dear. On page number 188. Question number 6, page 188. So here they gave you the passbook balance. They gave us passbook balance. So as it is, first we'll write BRS of trader as on. What is the date given? They did not give date. So just put ... Then statement. Particulars. Amount column. You can see in this, transactions are given through alphabets. Then, for our convenience, our working notes, we know cash book, passbook, cash book, passbook. So, please do not write the signs immediately. Cash book, passbook, receipt, payment, withdrawal, deposit. So here, particulars and rupees. Let us see. Passbook showed a balance of 12,600. So starting point. Balance as per which book? Passbook. They gave us passbook balance 12,600. Now depending on this, we'll put the signs. So we know plus, minus, plus, minus. Now, A. Check deposited but not collected. We know the position of check collected. Sorry, check deposited. Receipt side 2,100. Then check issued. Blindly we can say, sir, it goes on the payment side 1,800. Then, sir, bank charges. We know bank charges are withdrawals. So C 175. Then if you see, they give bank paid insurance premium. So again, D 1,500. Then debtor paid directly into bank. Directly paid into bank is deposit. E 1,200. Within no time, dear, you can complete the solution. Now again, add. Let us see the add part. A bit, C bit, D bit. What is A bit? Check deposited but not collected. But not collected. You can write 2,100. Then C bit, if you see, just write bank charges 175. Then 1,500 is D. What is D? Bank paid insurance premium. Bank paid insurance premium 1,500. 1, 2, 3. All the 3 plus are over. We'll do the addition. So 5, 7, 5, 6, 7 and 3. 3,775. We'll add. So 5, 7, 13. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 16,375. Now less items. Let us see the less items. Bit number B. Check what is big B. Check issued but not presented. How much? 1,800. Then next one is EBIT. What is EBIT? Direct deposit by customer. So direct deposit by customer. How much is the amount? 1,200. Check again. B 1, 2 over. Totally you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything got done here. Now we'll draw the line here. Total 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 3, 3,000. Now we'll subtract 3,000. So 5, 7, 3. 3 minus 3,000. So 5, 7, 3. 6 minus 3, 3 and 1. 13,775. Is it? Check the total. 5, 7, 6, 7, 3. 5, 7, 13. 6. Yes, ma'am. In textbook, it is printed 12,775. It is 13,775. Please keep in mind. Therefore, we started with passbook. So, this is balance as per cash book. That's all. Answer is ready, sir. Answer is ready for you all. Like this. Now, one more attempt we'll give to do one more problem of passbook. That is solution number 8 I am doing for you all, dear students. Solution number 8. You can see solution number 8 I am doing. So, solution number 8. Hope you all have copied the solutions. Now, let us look into question number 8. I have 2. It's all the game of putting the plus minus, how you are able to understand. So, if you look into question number 8, solution number 8, which is on page number 189. Again, you will write BRS of Giri as on the date will be given. Now let us see what they gave. They gave us passbook balance. So here we'll write balance as per passbook. Dear students, please write particulars rupees everywhere. That you have to keep in mind. Particulars rupees. Okay. So the amount is 8,900. Once I write, then I'll do the designing. That is plus minus. Receipt plus minus plus minus. Now let us see. Check issued but not presented. So bit number A. Amount 2,100. Check deposited but not collected or realized 900. Then C bit what they told? In C bit they told wrong debit given in passbook. So C, wrong debit given in passbook of 500. Then D bit they told bank charges. We know bank charges they come again in passbook. So easy it is. Then direct payment of insurance. Again E bit paid by banker. Directly it is paid. So 600. All the postings are done. If you calculate the time, I assure it will not take more than 5 minutes with say solution. So add items. B bit. What is B bit? Check deposited. So check deposited but not realized 900. 900 plus items. Then CDE. What is C bit? Check wrong debit. Wrong debit in passbook. Amount is 500. Then bank charges. So next bank charges debited in passbook. How much? 210. Then insurance premium. So insurance premium paid by bank. How much they paid? 600. Add all. So 0, 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 9, 22. So 2,210. Again we'll add 0, 1, 9 plus 2, 11 and 11. This is 11,110. Now less items we'll see. What is there in less item? Only one. What is that? Check issued but not presented for payment. How much is given? 2,100. Anything else? Nothing, sir. So we'll put 2,100. 0, 1, 0. 11 minus 2, 9. You can check 9,010 is the answer. We started with which book? Passbook. So this is balance as per cash book. This is your solution. So having said this, dear students, these are the two varieties of problems, one with the cash book and one with the passbook. Of course, overdraft is not given, but keep in mind, if they give you the overdraft of cash book, the signs will be same. If they give overdraft of passbook, then you have to do the previous method, that is here minus, plus, minus, plus. That's all. Postings will be same to same. Hope you have understood this chapter. 10 marks compulsory question. Do this pattern. I assure you all that you will be successful in your exam. Having said this, thank you, dear students. Practice more and more. Have a great day. Have a nice day. This was the end of your bank reconciliation statement chapter. Thank you. God bless you.